Donna Sue, South Texas.
You're young.
Fish.
You're youngish. You like that it's still on your head.
I do.
So you are a glass half empty kind of person.
Yes.
And
If you think I can carry it off, I'd love short.
yeah.
I'm not.
Absolutely. No, you absolutely can.
Can I do gray?
Yeah. If you wear makeup.
I do.
All right. If you put your makeup on and you've got this, it can be really striking, I think. But just this, and then it's going to...
It's going to look washed out.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
For a nursing home.
Yeah.
This is all makeup. Otherwise, I see my puppy dad in the morning. Don't put anything on the regrowth.
Mm-hmm.
Do whatever you can to make it as white as possible.
Leave that alone right there. Do you want it darker at all?
No. Gravity's going to go this way.
Cool. And you know what?
Maybe right there.
I've got a white stripe right here that I've had since I was 30.
That'll be great.
Yeah, it's just this one.
So we'll make sure that's extra. We'll do a thicker chunk there.
So how are you feeling right at the moment?
I feel great. I feel great. I'm very excited. Wonderful. Invigorated. Refreshed.
Is there any fear that you would have in the makeover that would really scare you?
That y'all cancel the appointment. Other than that, no, I'm open to whatever he wants to do.
Okay. Are you surprised at what direction Christopher took in regards to the color?
Not at all. Not at all. I told him that about me, and he nailed it. I mean, he really listened to me. What's amazing to me is how he figured out who I was. Not just my face shape or how I looked, but who I was, and he nailed it.
It's just another haircut.
Yeah, he did great. I've actually been waiting for this appointment for a while. I wanted to let it grow out and see what Christopher could do with it. I wanted short. I did. I wanted short. I feel like it's me.
That bird call.
What bird call?
Well, I don't know.
What are you talking about? I have this bird call right now.
Okay.
That is so good.
Blow dry as well.
Yeah.
That's good. Oh, we have fun.
I don't know the words.
Why would a fellow like a girl like her, a girl who's merely lovely?
Why would a fellow ever once prefer as a girl like me?
She's a funny little model with a plenty charm.
I was very little trouble.
That's good.
I could break her little arm.
Perfect, isn't that a great right?
Why can't a fellow ever once prefer
A solid girl like me. What's the matter with a man? What's the matter with a man? What's the matter with a man?